Let X be the total houses with aluminum siding. And these houses, they either have three or more bathrooms or two or less. That covers everything. So if I take 0.75 times X, that tells me the number of houses with three or more bathrooms. Okay? Because X is a total number of houses with aluminum siding, and if I multiply that by 0.75, that's going to tell me how many have got greater than or more, three or more bathrooms. And then plus, well, if they don't have three or more, that means they've got two or less, and there's 12 of those. So this is greater than or equal to 3 bathrooms. This is less than or equal to 2 bathrooms, and that gives me my total number of houses with aluminum siding. If I solve this, that will give me 12 equals, I'm subtracting 0.75 from both sides, and that's 0.25x. And of course, I like fractions. 1/4 x, so I multiply both sides by 4, and that gives me 48. So I've got 48 houses with aluminum siding. I've got a total of 100 houses, so my answer is 52.